Welcome to Nifty Notions from So Very Easy. My name is Laura, and today's Nifty Notion is a really nice storage carry-in case. The container comes from a company that sells thread, and the thread is called FIL-TEC. Now, they have lots of different thread lines. This particular one is a all-purpose polyester thread. It looks like cotton, it feels like cotton, but with a polyester, it has no lint and it gives you the good strength of an all-purpose thread. It's called Primo Soft, but what's nice is they have these containers that the little spools fit perfectly in. And from the outside, you can see the colors. It is also a stackable container. So you can get as many layers as you want. There are a lot of different ways you can use a container like this. You could have layers and layers of thread so you'd be able to have them kept safe, clean, and still be able to see the colors. Or you can keep a container like this by your machine. You would put your favorite colors, your go-to colors, right in the container because it fits 10 threads. In the next layer, you could keep all of your feet and machine accessories right here. It's safe and you know exactly where they're going to be. In one layer, you could keep the notions that you use the most right beside your machine. Extra needles, even these great pre-spun bobbins. So it's all handy right at your fingertips. The containers are adjustable. You can take out any of these center ones, even this long center one. So you can adjust this to any size that you want. You can even have the entire piece open if you take out all of the divisions. And they lock together. There is a couple advantages for having everything stored in a nice little container. Number one, they lock so little fingers or little paws cannot get into your sewing supplies. It also keeps everything clean and handy. So if you are going on a sewing retreat or just going to a friend's to go sewing, you will be able to just pick this up and take it with you. With your machine and your foot pedal, you're completely done. You won't have to worry about what do I need to bring and what do I need to bring back. If your container starts to get a little bit too tall, you can just take off one level, close up the container, and you can keep this right beside your sewing machine. So all of your favorite tools can be handy. When you're done, it's very easy to store it, lock it, and you have nothing to worry about. The company that sells this is the company that sells this thread. They do have a store and it's called hab+dash. The word is an Old English word and it's from haberdashery, which is an English 14th century word that means a store that sells notions. They've modernized it by putting this sort of end thing, so we have hab and dash. It's kind of a fun thing. Now the store is only opened up to shop owners, but there's a bonus because they have a find a shop nearest you site, and you're going to be able to put in where you live and you're going to be able to find the nearest store that will be able to carry this. And it's not only in North America, it's in Australia, England, and all of the surrounding areas. I'll put a link in the description so you can check it out. There are so many great uses for a container that is buildable and that you can customize. So regardless if you got one level, 3 levels, it is a great way to keep all of your sewing notions and thread together. It keeps little fingers and little paws out of your sewing stuff. I'll put a link in the description so you can check it out. Thank you for joining me today on So Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe, and as always, come on back. Let's see what we're sewing next time in the sewing room. Bye for now.